Welcome to Soul Haven. Let's take the next 5 minutes to calm your mind gently and simply. Just a few minutes of mindful breathing can calm the nervous system and quiet the mind. Even 5 minutes of slowing down helps shift the brain out of stress mode and into clarity. Let's begin. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let your breath find its natural rhythm. Notice the air entering and the air leaving. If thoughts rise, simply acknowledge them and let them drift to the side, like clouds moving across the sky. Bring your attention to the sensation of breathing. The coolness of the inhale, the warmth of the exhale. For the next few moments, your only job is to notice. Notice the breath. Notice the stillness. Notice this moment just as it is. Take one more deep inhale and a soft, slow exhale. Carry this calm with you through the rest of your day.